are taking out the interior, the walls and the trim. And again, this was a chiropractor office, so lots of rooms and halls. We've got 2 of these halls. I'll take you over and show you the other one. So all these walls and doors will come out. There was an x-ray room here. All that will probably be restrooms over there. And then in our back rooms here will be the new incoming and processing room. So there's the door to go outside to the parking lot. And all this will become our intake and processing. So stay tuned for more updates so you can follow our progress on selectiveseconds.com website. Thanks.